Haven't been myself lately, I'm feeling like I'm going crazy. I haven't been myself lately, I'm feeling like I'm going crazy. I haven't been myself lately, I'm feeling like I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. Remember when you said you loved me, I thought we would last forever. I used to call you my little baby, we were always hang together. Thinking that we would get married since the first time I ever met her. Going back when I first kissed you is something I will never forget. Thought you were the one, but who knew that was getting played back then? Missing the days, I miss the old days. It feel like I'm stuck in a maze right now. I can't get out, I'm feeling betrayed, heartbroken always. Thought you were the one, I become so numb. Why you have to do me like this? You're the only one that I miss. But I feel so dumb that I can't move on. And now that you're gone lately, I'm feeling like I'm going crazy.